Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to check if a file is a file, and we're going to check if a directory is a directory. So before we start, make sure you check that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting the channel. So the first thing we have to do is import this OS module here. I'm going to go down and I'm going to create a function, and I'm going to call the function check is file. Okay, so we're going to create a path, and we're going to look inside a directory, and that's already on my desktop here. So this directory is called remove me, and inside there's a text file called A. So what I'm going to do, we're going to go back there, and directory is C / users / mark / desktop / remove me. Okay, this path here is unique to my computer. Your path will be different, so make sure you get your own path to your desktop, or else if you simply type this in, it will not work for you. Okay, so we're going to do OS CHDIR change directory to the path that we've stated above. That's where we want to be. We're going to get some user input, so I'm going to create a variable called entry and input here, and I'm going to type in enter full file name. Okay, it's a bit long-winded, but this is only an example. Right, so here's where we come on to the conditional. If os.path.is file, and that's going to be the entry, the file that we typed into the entry. If that is a file, we're going to print out to the user. Whoops. We print to the user. Oh, should get that annoying thing off the screen. Okay, so print out to the user, and I'm going to format the string here. Print is a file. Okay, dot format. That's going to be the entry. Else, if that's not the case, print is not a file. Okay, all we have to do now is check is file. Okay, save that. Let's just run it. Enter full name. So I'm going to enter the name of the file a.txt. It is a file. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to check if it's a directory. So I'm just going to call this check is dir. Okay, again we're going to get the path. I'm just going to copy and paste this, although you shouldn't be as lazy as that. You should be typing it out. It's good practice for you. It will help you learn and retain the information if you do it over and over and over again. Entry is equal to input. Okay, type file name, not file name, folder name, folder name. Okay, and here is where we go on to the conditional. If os.path.isdir is directory, and that's going to be the entry that we typed in. Let's have a look. We're going to do. I'm going to format the string again. I'm going to format it slightly different this time so you can see two of the most common ways of formatting strings. Okay, so we're going to do entry here is a directory. Okay, so that's the other way of formatting strings there. And then just to finish off, we're going to do the catch-all else. Print entry here, entry isn't a directory. Okay, right, let's just test this out. Check is dir. Okay, let's run this. Okay, remove me. Oops, made a mistake here. I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have specified the name. Let's go to that. Remove me. Remove me is a directory, so we're just checking on the desktop here. I forgot to get rid of that there, so we just wanted to check the desktop. So sorry about that. There we go. Hope you enjoyed that, and if you've not already subscribed, make sure you make that your #1 priority, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.